Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, respected also government representatives, industry leaders, partners, and members of THPCA. So on behalf of our President and THPCA, we are pleased to welcome you to THPCA Technical Conference Series 2026. And on behalf of our THPCA, we also would like to say thank you to our speakers for coming here, contributing to this session and sharing experience and inside knowledge into the reliability testing, which is a critical part of electronic manufacturing. So just before I start to finish my speech, I would like to quickly introduce our distinguished speakers. So Mr. David Bergman, our the Vice President of Standard and Technology, Executive Director of also Wire Harness Manufacturing Association. He has over 45 years with IPC organization, which is a world-class and leading technical standard. Second speaker, we have Kun Jesuda Puranon, Technical Manager from CATFIM Thailand. Currently, she's a Technical Manager of CATFIM Thailand, which is the largest ANSYS channel partner, and have over 10 years experience in computational fluid dynamics and engineering simulation. Also, may I introduce Ms. Salanya Yatsmer. She's a Senior Manager of Quality and Reliability within Celestica Global Quality Organization. Thank you very much for your time and sharing insight today. Our fourth distinguished speaker is Kun Nattawut Ruamsuk, who's the lead reliability testing at, again, Celestica Thailand. And our final speaker, Ms. Layan Chen, the General Manager of Reliability Assessment Solution. Again, thank you very much for your time and contribution today, as well as all the members and participants today. So today, we would like to reflect the major transformation in the global electronics industry, as today technologies is coming much faster than we expected, and reliability and the knowledge inside to enable to build in the quality which into the electronics from AI data centers, components, electric vehicles, network cloud infrastructure, low Earth orbit, space network, and advanced packaging, which has become more powerful and more complex. With this progress, high expectation for long-term performance and durability is become critical. Reliability is no longer just a final inspection step, but a knowledge and a complete understanding of fundamental that would help to ensure to build reliability into quality into manufacturing process. It's now a strategic element to integrate design, material selection, manufacturing processes. Advanced methodologies such as international standard, simulation tools, accelerated stress, HALT, HASS, help companies to detect weaknesses, defects, reduce risks, and strengthening product performance. For Thailand, PCB, EMS, and electronic ecosystem to strengthen reliability, capability is essential. A more advanced to help to prepare a more investment of advanced electronic manufacturing into Southeast Asia. We must be ready to meet global quality expectation and maintain competitiveness. So this conference is organized under THPCA, which is an ongoing initiative to align with the exhibition, THPCA, which is to support the supply chain and technology development here in Thailand. Which is THPCA is not only exhibition platform, but also knowledge for collaboration to support technical development and industry advancement. Such as event today, we aim to enhance skills, share expertise, and strengthening our ecosystem. So I would like to encourage you all, TH members and industry members, to actively participate this kind of session in the future. under THPCA and TECA exhibition. Your engagement, your contribution is key to building strong industry together. So again, on behalf of THPCA, I sincerely thank you, distinguished speakers, partners for that support, and all participants. Thank you for being here, for your commitment for advancing Thailand electronic industry. I wish you all productive and insightful conference. Thank you.